Hold on, how you say you striking shit? Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Verified K, man, and we back again with another video. So today we gonna be going ahead and upgrading the shop. So I got a couple packages for us today. Alright, so let me just show y'all what we got today. Currently, if y'all come a little closer, y'all can see that we got another spray gun. So we just gonna go ahead and set that aside for when we do our clear coat. But as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and go with a couple things that we needed to finish the paint job. So we went ahead and got our masking paper and our automotive masking tape. So we went ahead and got that just because I didn't feel like using like old tarps and just like, the way I was using like ripped up trash bags. So I just wanted to get a little bit more professional and get some masking tape. So this was number one. All right, so number two on the list. This is for the car, man. I went ahead and got a kill switch, and I just wanted to go ahead and get this and install this once we put everything back in, just to show y'all it's mad easy. Y'all can do it yourself, and we got to keep our cars. I ain't gonna lie, bro. A nigga try to steal my car, that nigga not making it back home, bro. I'm gonna keep that shit a straight buck. Right? So if a nigga get past all these little defense devices that I'm putting on this motherfucker, y'all is getting sent up for sure.
Yeah, right. Shut the fuck up with that shit. Okay.
So that's number two, and yeah, we gonna probably install that probably after we get done painting. All right, so number three on the list, we got this right here. This is what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna go ahead and put these up in the garage because as y'all can see, the lighting in this motherfucker like look-y kind of dog shit, bro. I don't know why, but just like if you look back there, you can't really see too much, and when we're painting, we're not able to see all the high and low spots. So I went ahead and picked up these Hexagon ring lights, or the Hexagon lights that everybody be raving about. Somebody told me to go ahead and get them. All right, and here were the ring lights. As you can see, I don't know if it got like a good clear video of that, but yeah, we went ahead and picked them up, and we looked at the whole diagram of it. So it don't seem like that hard. So we're gonna do a little montage of us putting it back up, and yeah. So I ain't gonna lie, this is low-key a necessity because I can't see shit, especially at night, and the schedule be mad wonky. So I be just trying to get stuff done, and then we just don't be having no lighting. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all these up, and I got my help behind the camera that's gonna help me. We got our ladder back there. So if you come a little closer, I was thinking about putting them like right in the middle, just starting them right here, and then where the garage light is, just like have them come around there, like one right here, one right here, one right there, and then one over there, and then one right here. I think that makes 5. So if we do that, that should make this garage like way more lit up and look way more better, especially for the content. But yeah, man, that's what we're gonna be doing for today. It's something slight because Josh in the last video, he was doing all the sanding down on this side, and he pretty much got everything done, and he got it all ready for me to come in and do the bondo right here and do the bondo right here and take this dent out right here. But he's gonna come back tomorrow and he's gonna do the rest of the car. He's gonna get on that side and he's gonna finish up the bumper and the hood, just because like he wants to learn more on the auto body. So I'm gonna just like let him do that, and that gives us a little bit more time to make our videos more quality. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. So that's what we got planned today. We're gonna go ahead and throw these ring lights up here, and then we're gonna clean up the garage a little bit and make like a little montage, I guess. I'm not really good at the last one, so y'all go to the last video and check out my montage, see how good I did on that. Let me know if that bitch was trash or not. So we finna go ahead and do that, and yeah. And remember, y'all, make sure y'all follow me on all socials, man. Remember, road to 5K twin. We almost there. And the videos, I ain't gonna lie, I've been seeing mad progress. And just let me know how the videos is doing so far right now, because y'all know I just upgraded the quality, the camera, the lighting, and I'm just trying to make everything like look way better, because low-key that shit was shit before. But yeah, just let me know, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we're gonna get into it.
Been out the way, been in the yo. Been focused on my bag, I can't crash like baby, yo, no. You irritate my soul. I got high as fuck to deal with all these feelings you don't know. I get high as fuck to get up out of space, I'm on the road. You think I'm out here fucking hoes? Do you love me? You know your head will hit you asking all these questions. You say you horny, but I'm never the one you fucking tell a pillow though. You touch the morning, acting like you ain't seen my college night, but baby I can't.
Okay, so currently my help behind the scenes Low-key helped me put up the, make the little hexagon shapes. I low-key failed geometry, twin, so I ain't really too good at the shapes and put them in the right places. But they got little holes for the screws and everything. Like, you're not gonna be able to see it, but on the inside there's a screw right here. There's a screw right here. And then there's basically screws on the inside for me to plug them up into the wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this up, and I'm gonna mark out where I gotta screw all the holes, because I gotta make a little hole, and then I gotta put in the little, it's like a little riveter. And then once I put that in and nail it in the ceiling, then that's when we put the hexagon lights up, and that's when we put the screw in. I know that's kind of confusing, but let me go ahead and show y'all what I was talking about. If y'all look at these right here, the little clear parts, like I'm gonna have to make a hole in the wall, put the little clear parts in the actual wall, and then then the screws could go in under the hexagon lights. I don't know if that made it more simpler, but shit, figure it out, nigga. All right, so let's go ahead and put this up. Okay, you can stop with that.
Bitch ass nigga, you better not play, cause bitch, you gon' get whacked. Niggas be claiming they tough as hell. When shots let off, they duck they hat. Been they block so many times. Niggas hoes, they can't get back. Bitch, I'm stuck in the field, trying to kill. Nigga, I ain't trying to rap. Since I said my brother, I'll kill your brother. You know where the fuck I'm at. I sent shots from my dog. You better not fall, you know I blow the man.
All right, so this is my help, Jacob, man. You already know he extra big boy right now, chugging down the water. But we got, what is this? Youth services. So I guess I'm holding youth services on Sundays through Mondays. So he helped me put up these lights right here. So come on, Jacob, go ahead. Go ahead, get on the, whatever it's called. What is it called?
Yo, it's a ladder.
Oh yeah, go ahead, get on the ladder. So these are the things that came with it. I had to drill a hole into it, and then this is the part that holds the screwdriver, so you're just not putting screws into the ceiling. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out my drill, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this up in here, and I'm gonna grab a screw, and then.
So I'm just holding it up?
Yeah, hold it up, because we gotta get that side too.
All right.
So look.
So what we gonna do, like switch the ladders?
Nah, you good. So look. So hold that side up, remember, hold that back side up too so it don't break. And then we gotta move it to this one right here. All right, there we go. And that's the first one. And then out of all these, we gotta go
Come
ahead.
do this over here.
Yeah. Damn, can I get to it, boy? I'm gonna go ahead and
Hey, that's gonna break.
just let me do it. Hold on, just give me a second. Next time I was gonna break. You praying on my downfall, twin. So,
How?
you always talking about something to break. I do this.
Yeah. Laying belt up on the ops, cause all these niggas hoes. They tried to speak up on Lil' K, we had to wipe his nose. She not your bitch, she not my bitch, so that's just how it go. Tender about my shit for sure. It's one thing just to let me know. Fuck my bitch and ain't think you finna die? Yeah, you a ghost. About my shit, I do the most. If my bitch think you too funny, nigga, I'll kill you for them jokes.
So alright, YouTube. So currently it's low-key late at night, but I just wanted to show y'all what the final product was. So this is the final product. I'm not gonna lie, I'm definitely gonna get more lights. Probably just gonna get 5 more. I didn't think this was gonna be like, the 5 lights cover perfectly, but I just thought that it would be more than enough. But to be honest, I'm definitely satisfied with it. It definitely lightens up the garage way more. And I ain't gonna lie, bro. It makes it look way more professional in here. Man, that's all I can ask for, to be honest, for real. But I do want to go ahead and say thank y'all for everybody who tuned in to the end of the video. And I just want to say, man, I just been trying to push out these long videos so I can get back in the algorithm, man. I don't know what's going on with my videos or whatever. My shorts do good, my everything else do good, my lives do good, but I guess my videos just shadow banned or something like that. So I'm gonna just keep posting these until I get out shadow banned. So I just want to let y'all know, road to 5K, we almost there. And remember, follow all the other socials, because I promise you, bro, we're going to be pushing out this content, and it's going to be that quality, you know what I'm saying? So we finna go ahead and get into tomorrow's video, and I gotta get ready, bro. I got a lot of work to do, but I'm going to catch y'all later. I ain't gonna lie.
You never touch the pad, but say you living fast, quit lying on your dick, bitch. I'm quick to get them hit. bitch, you really on that bullshit. Bitch, not a smacker, nigga. Really on this content shit, but niggas know I'm active, nigga. Striking shit and